Shakira's signature hip and pelvis movements. Turns out they're not only fun, but they're also an incredible way to strengthen your pelvic floor without doing a single boring Kegel exercise. So if you struggle with bladder leaking, maybe you need to cross your legs when you sneeze, then this Shakira-inspired belly dance routine is gonna help you to strengthen your pelvic floor. If you want a more step-by-step tutorial in how to do these movements correctly and get the most out of them, then check out my program, The Belly Dance Solution. The link is in the description. Let's get started. All right, everybody, let's get started, and let's just start with a step touch, just warming up our body. I'm really excited for this routine that has you strengthening your pelvic floor while also having a blast and getting an all-over total body workout. Let's do some step hips. Nice and tall. You want to send that hip towards the front. I'll show you from the side. Shoulders down and back. So it's kind of like a corkscrew movement with your hips. Okay, now, after we're now a little bit warmed up, we're gonna do our first Shakira-inspired pelvic floor strengthening movement. It's called the pelvic tuck and drop. Let me walk you through it. 5, 6, 7, 8. So nice, soft bend in the knees. This is super important because if your knees aren't bent, there's nowhere for your pelvis to go. If your knees are locked, my pelvis is locked. So nice, soft bend in the knees. You're going to feel your pelvis move forward and back. Nice and gentle. You never want to throw your pelvis forward. It's a soft release and tuck it in. Drop, tuck. And you pull the belly button into the spine as you tuck the tailbone under. I don't want to spend too much time on this because I just want to take you through the routine. So again, if you want more tutorial on how to do this exactly, then check out my Belly Dance Solution program. But just showing you a little bit of how this works. So you want to keep your focus in this triangle area here. Low abs, pelvic floor. So feel like you're really squeezing in from the bottom, tuck. And Shakira does this movement a lot. This pelvic tuck and drop. As much as possible, try to keep your glutes relaxed. So we're gonna tuck, drop, tuck, tuck, drop, tuck. And again, just soft release. The strength comes on the in part here. Make sure you keep those knees relaxed. Tuck, tuck, relax, tuck, relax. And notice how that relaxed part is really important because that's a problem with Kegel exercise is you contract without the relax. And that relaxation phase is really important. Drop, tuck, drop. Okay, so we got our tuck drop. Now we're gonna do what I call a hip bump. And we're up. Again, soft bend in the knees. And we're contracting up, even though it looks like I'm going to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2. Again, shoulders down and back. Good posture in the upper body. Squeezing in the obliques. Up, up. Now let's combine these two. And we're gonna go tuck, drop, tuck, drop. 5, 6, 7, 8, and tuck. Drop, tuck, drop, up, 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 up. Tuck, drop, tuck, drop. Side, 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 side. Tuck, drop, tuck, drop. Side, 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 side. Tuck. This hip bump is another move that Shakira does a lot. So we're combining these. And as you do these side to sides, make sure you still keep that core engaged. Pull that belly button into your spine, okay? Now the next move we're gonna do is a twist drop. Shakira does this movement a lot too. Really make sure you got that good posture in your upper body. Belly button still into spine. So we got our twist. Let's switch sides. Really great core movement here with this twist. Let's switch sides again. Switch. Last time, switch. And switch. I meant both sides. Okay, next move we're doing. Last final move. Again, another common Shakira move is this downward eight. So we squeeze in the side, we slide, we let that knee drop. We squeeze, slide, let the knee drop. Again, focusing on that good upper body posture. Trying to keep your upper body from movement. But that takes time and that's okay, and you're fine lifting your heels up if you want. Now is the fun part. We're gonna put it all together. Nice and slow. Tuck, drop, tuck, drop, and then we got 4 hips. 3, 2, 1, and then we're twist, twist, 2, 3, 4, down, down. Then we're gonna switch sides. Tuck, drop, tuck, drop, and up. 2, 3, 4, and twist. 2, 3, 4, and lift, down, lift, down. Okay, I'm gonna show you facing you and then I'll turn around. We're gonna start by the up hips on the left, okay? 6, 7, 8, and tuck, drop, drop. 2, 3, 4, twist, 2, 3, 4, down, down. Now we're gonna go on the right, tuck, drop, up. 2, 3, 4, drop, 2, 3, 4, down, down. Okay, I'm gonna show you facing the same side. We'll still start on the left. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and tuck, drop, up. 2, 3, 4, and twist. Downward, tuck, drop, up. 2, 3, 4, and twist. Downward, 8, down, and tuck, drop, up. 2, 3, 4, and twist. Downward, 8, down, and tuck, drop, up. 2, 3, 4, and down. Left side, tuck, drop, left. 2, 3, 4. Down, right side, and tuck, drop, up. 2, 3, 4. Down. We're gonna take it half time here, so you feel like you have plenty of time. Nice and slow. We got up, down, tuck, drop, left, right, and drop. 2, 3, 4, and down. We only got 2 of those. Tuck, drop, drop, tuck, drop, and right, left, and twist. 2, 3, 4, and lift, down, lift. We're gonna do slow one more time, and tuck, drop, and lift. 2, 3, 4, and twist. 2, 3, 4, and squeeze, down, tuck, drop, drop, right side and right, left, and twist. 2, 3, 4, and squeeze, down, full time, 1 time, and tuck, drop, left, right, and twist. Down, right side, and tuck, right, left, down. Good. How does that feel? Do you feel that activation in your pelvic floor? The cool thing is, Even if you don't feel it, like with Kegel exercise, you are still strengthening your pelvic floor. And that is what is so cool about belly dance for strengthening the pelvic floor. I hope you enjoyed that. Let me know in the comments. How did that feel for you? What did you feel? Let me know, and I'll see you in the next video.